turkey and stop for a swim for half an hour. We're going along to a fishing farm now, and then we're going to go to Turtle Beach. Then we're going to get onto the boat up the river. We're going to see some ancient ruins. Like, I know this one here is like 20 quid, no drink included, but you get a lunch. And the boat left at 9:30 this morning. We get back to Marmaris 7:30. So it's a long day out and the beautiful sunshine here. Look at that rugged coast. Just had a lovely swim back in the boat.